Demystifying English, Grasping the Possessive Determiners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're delving into a new topic that forms an integral part of English grammar, and that is possessive determiners. It might sound like a complicated term, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what possessive determiners are, but you will also be able to use them correctly and confidently. Remember, mastering these small components of English grammar will significantly improve your overall language skills. So, what exactly are possessive determiners? Well, they're words that we use in English to indicate who something belongs to. They always come before a noun and agree with the noun they refer to. The main possessive determiners are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Here's an example for you. This is my book. In this sentence, my is the possessive determiner because it shows that the book belongs to me. Now let's dig deeper into the usage of these possessive determiners. As we have said, they always precede a noun. Let's take a look at some examples. It is her car. The car belongs to her. We are at their house. The house belongs to them. Important. Don't confuse possessive determiners with possessive pronouns. They might sound similar, but they have different roles. For instance, in the sentence, "This is my book, not yours." My is a possessive determiner and yours is a possessive pronoun. The pronoun is used instead of repeating the noun, book in this case, while the determiner comes directly before the noun. Just like any other grammatical concept, there are certain rules to follow when using possessive determiners. 1. Possessive determiners must agree with the possessor, not with the thing possessed. So, if you are talking about John and his car, you will say, his car, regardless of whether the car is masculine or feminine. 2. There is no apostrophe in possessive determiners. It's its and not its, which is a contraction of it is or it has. Remember, mastering the use of these determiners is all about practice. So keep trying to incorporate them in your everyday English conversations. That wraps up our quick introduction to possessive determiners. We hope that you now have a better understanding of what they are, how they are used, and the rules that govern them. As always, remember to practice what you've learned today for better retention. If you have any doubts or need more clarification, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore other interesting aspects of English grammar. Until then, keep practicing and improving your English.